Morning, children. Good morning, everyone. So, what we discussed in previous class, do you have any idea? Third, children, what we discussed in previous class? Our block 3, we discussed about the functions of a stem. So, what are the functions of a stem? What the functions do? What the stem do? How the stem is helpful for a plant? So the first function is learned or not. After completion of every topic, please go through the topic, read well and respond whenever I ask a question to you. So the first function of a stem is it holds all the parts of a plant together. It holds all the parts of a plant together. What are all the parts of a plant? Flowers, buds, fruits, leaves, branches. All these are the parts of a plant. The stem holds all those parts together. The second function what? It carries water and minerals and it transfer to other parts of a plant. And third function, in some plants, not in all plants. In some plants, stem stores the food. Can you give the example of such plants which stores food in their stems? In previous class, I given the examples of a modified stem. So, in which can you name the stems in which the stem stores the food? Turmeric, ginger, potato, sugarcane. In these plants, the stems store the excess food. The leaves prepares the food. Leaf is called as kitchen of a plant. So the leaf prepares the food, whatever the excess food is there. The plant, sometimes it stores in leaf, sometimes it stores in stem, sometimes it stores in flowers, sometimes it stores in roots. So in previous class, we discussed about the plants of a stem which stores food are turmeric, ginger, potato and sugarcane. So these food the stems of these plants we are eating as our food. We are eating potatoes, we are eating turmeric, we are eating sugarcane. So ginger, these are the stems of those plants. We are eating those stems because the food is stored in them. So in which food is stored, that part we are taking and using in our food. So we are eating. So are you clear about the functions of a stem? In some stems, sometimes in rare cases, stem also performs some other activities like the preparation of food. We discussed about the cactus. Cactus, it is a desert plant. So in desert there is no availability of water. Water scarcity is there. So if the leaves are present to the cactus plant, so the leaves performs the evaporation activity. So through the evaporation there is a loss of water for the plant. So to avoid such problems, the leaves modified into a spines or thorns. So in cactus plants there is no leaf. The leaves are modified thorns or spines. It modifies into the leaves, modifies into thorns. So spines. So how it prepares the food? If there is no leaf, how the cactus plant will live? That means the stem will performs the activity of preparation of food. So in some plants like cactus, the stem also performs the function of preparation of food. Like that, we discussed about the functions of a stem. Now we are going to discuss about the functions of a root. How the root helpful for a plant. Functions of a root. So can you say? So can you give what are the functions of a root? Do you have any idea what the function root performs? So how the roots helpful for a plant? So first step for the root, it fixes the plant. It fixes the plant in a soil. It fixes the plant. So how the roots penetrate deep into the soil. So after the penetration, it fixes the plants. It holds the plant firmly. So if a wind blows or flood comes, there is no damage for a plant. So how the plant stand directly strongly means the roots they fixes the plant inside the soil. So with that the tree or plant it stands strongly and straight. So the first function is it fixes the plant in the soil. The next function, what the root does? So it absorbs minerals and water from the soil. It absorbs minerals and water from the soil. So how the plant gets water and minerals means the roots which are present below the soil. So the roots which are present inside the soil, these absorbs the water. These absorbs the water and minerals. It sent to the stem. So from the stem, it carries to different parts of a plant. So what is the function of roots here? The roots absorbs the water and minerals from the soil. That is the second function of a root. And when it comes to third function, when it comes to another function, as a stem, we discussed about the stem. Leaf prepares the food in a plant, and the excess food which is there, sometimes I said it stores in leaf, sometimes in stem. We discussed the examples of stem in which food stores. So here comes to the root. Root also stores the food. Root also stores the food. In some plants, roots stores the food material. Root stores the food. Do you have any idea In which in which plants the roots stores the food material. We are eating many roots. So which roots? Do you have any idea? The examples are carrot, beetroot, radish, sweet potato. Potato is a stem modification. Sweet potato in Telugu is called as chilladumpa. So, our Dansugadda, chilladumpa, what we are saying in Telugu. So, the plant, these roots, they store the food. Plant roots, they store the food we are eating. This root part. In the plants, the root, carrot, beetroot, radish, sweet potato, these plants, they store the excess food in the roots. So, this root part we are eating. So, like this, the roots are performing different activities like that. It fixes the plant, it absorbs the minerals and water from the soil. In some plants, root stores the food like the carrot, radish, beetroot, and sweet potato. These are some of the examples of plants which stores the food in their roots. So, if there is no root for a plant, can plant live? If we cut the roots of a plant, so do the plant live? Here we perform a simple experiment to show that how the roots helpful for a plant. If you take two potted plants, one of the plant is having roots, and if we cut the roots of other plant, and again if we place in it without roots, so if we take two potted plants and if we uproot one plant and if we cut the roots of one plant and again we will place that into the same pot. So if we going on giving water and other conditions whatever required for that plant, you after 5 or 10 days, if you observe the plant A, it leaves plant B. What will happen to plant B? Do you have any idea? If there is no root, for plant B, we cut the roots of a plant. Plant A having roots. So, after some time, if we observe those two plants, what will happen? Do you have any idea? If there is no root for a plant, what function stops? So, the plant is unable to absorb water and minerals. So, for what purpose water and minerals are required? For the preparation of food, the leaf requires water, air, and sunlight. So, if the water is absent without root, the plant is unable to absorb the water and minerals. If there is no water and mineral, how the plant will prepare the food? So there is no food for a plant. So finally what happens to the plant? It will survive. So without roots, the plant will not able to survive. So it requires roots. So roots performs the function of it fixes the plant firmly to the soil. It absorbs the water and minerals and it transports to the other parts of your plant. And also it stores the food material. So some of the examples of roots which stores the food material are carrot, beetroot, sweet potato. These are the some of the radish. These are the some of the examples of modified roots in which the roots store the food material. Are you clear? Understand, children? So here different types of roots are there. Types of roots. Types of roots. Here two types of roots are there. One is taproot. What is that? First one is taproot. Say the children, taproot. So the first one is types of roots. How many types of roots are there? Two types. Taproot. Say the children, taproot. And fibrous root. Fibrous roots. Taproot and fibrous roots. So how many types of roots are there, children? Two types. Those are, first one is taproot and second one is fibrous roots. So what is a taproot? So here from the plant only main root arises, and from that main root number of other roots are arising. So from this here from the stem only one main root is coming out. From this main root other number of roots are arising. So here from a plant how many roots are arising first? Only one root. This is only the main root. From this main root only the other number of roots are arising. So these roots are called taproots. In a plant, if only one main root is arises, it's 10:30 only. Some more 10 minutes. So, if for a plant, if only main root is arises from the stem, and from that root, if number of roots arises, that root system is called taproot system. So, which plants have taproot system? Means examples of taproots are mango. The best example you can observe to pluck it, you uproot a plant and observe the roots is the tulsi. So in each and every home, I think tulsi plants are there. If you pluck the tulsi plant and uproot the tulsi plant and observe, so if you observe the tulsi root, you can find this system of taproot system. Only one main root is having, and from that main root, number of small roots are arises. So mango, tulsi, people taproot system. Are you clear about the taproot system, children? Okay. So next comes to the fibrous roots. Here I will show the fibrous plant. So if you observe this plant, the plant is like this. So it is a stem. So from all the directions, number of roots are arising. So like this, from a stem, number of roots are arising. So this cluster of roots, these bunches of roots are called fibrous roots. If you observe here, this is a fibrous root, all grasses. So there is no main root. Bunches of roots are there. So from a stem, number of roots see. Number of roots are arising from a stem. This is the stem. From the bottom of the stem, so number of roots are arising. Here cluster of roots are there. So these are cluster of roots. There is no main root. All the clusters of roots arising from the stem. So such types of roots are called fibrous roots. So examples are all grasses and maize, coconut, paddy. Paddy means rice. So this is the fibrous root. Pluck a grass plant and observe. Uproot one grass plant near your home and observe. You can able to see the bunches of roots, the clusters of roots arising from the stem, bottom of the stem. So there is no main root in this. There is no main root in this. Such roots are called fibrous roots. So examples are all grasses, maize, coconut, paddy. So are you clear about the taproot and fibrous roots, children? Taproot means having where one main root. From that main root only the number of small roots are arising. So from the stem only one main root is coming out. So from this main root the number of roots are arising. So such roots are called taproots. Examples are mango, tulsi, papaya, whatever it may be, the other plants. So fibrous roots. So fibrous roots from the stem, the number of roots are arising. There is no main root. There is no main root. The number of roots are arising from the stem. So such roots are called fibrous roots. The examples are all grasses, maize, coconut, and paddy. All these are the examples of your fibrous roots. Are you clear about the types of roots? When it comes to the banyan tree, if we assume this is as a banyan tree, so banyan tree is having long big branches. So banyan tree means Marri Chettu. In Telugu it is called as Marri Chettu. In case of banyan trees, we observe the roots arising from the branch and again they enter into the soil. So that means banyan tree is not having underground roots, means banyan tree is having two types of roots. Aerial roots are also called as hanging roots. Aerial roots are also called as hanging roots. So if it is a banyan tree, from the branches the roots are arising and again they are reaching the soil, and also it is having root system. So underground root system also there for a banyan tree. So the underground roots of a banyan tree perform the same function as the other roots. What the other roots do? So it absorbs the water and minerals and it transfers What is the function of these aerial or hanging roots? Aerial or hanging roots. What is the function of these aerial or hanging roots? If you observe a banyan tree, so from the branches, the banyan tree is having very long, big branches. Those branches need the support. Those branches need the support because these are very big and long branches are present for a banyan tree. So what the aerial roots do means it gives the support. It helps the banyan tree. So these aerial roots it gives the support to the branches. The aerial roots of a banyan tree, it provides the support. It provides the support. The banyan tree aerial roots, it provides the support to the banyan tree. So what the aerial roots do? The aerial roots of a banyan tree, it provides the support for the branches of a banyan tree. Are you clear about this beta? So why the banyan tree having aerial or hanging roots? What is the function of those roots means? The aerial roots or hanging roots of a banyan tree, it provides support for the branches. The branches are very long and big branches are present for a banyan tree. So they need the support. So from where they get the support means the aerial or hanging roots of a banyan tree provides support for a banyan tree. So are you clear about this? Roots are of two types, tap roots and fibrous roots, and another type hanging roots or aerial roots also there in case of banyan tree. So the banyan tree, what the aerial roots that means it provides support for a banyan tree. So this is about your roots stems. We discussed about the stem system and also about the root system. So we discussed about the functions of stems and the roots. With this the block 3 is completed. Immediately you have to open the books and you have to complete your workbooks which are present in your workbook. So you have to complete all the workbooks up to 3 blocks are completed. Open your books. Workbooks are with you. So complete the workbooks. Tomorrow I will give the notes for this already I given for 2 blocks. So did you completed the notes which I sent on Saturday? Children are able to hear me? Did you complete it better? So still those who not completed, please complete the classwork and complete the worksheets which I sent, and also you have to complete the work, the books with you, workbooks are with you. So meanwhile you have to complete those workbooks also. So once we will repeat the functions of a root. What are the functions of a root? First it fixes the plant. What the root does? It fixes the plant firmly in the soil. That means fixation. It fixes the soil firmly in the soil. Second, it carries the water and the roots. They carry the water and minerals to the plant. And third function, sometimes in some plants the roots also stores the food, excess food which is present in plant. Some of the roots they store the food. So examples are the modified roots. Examples are radish, beetroot, carrot, sweet potato. So in which the plant stores the food in roots, we are eating those roots because they are very nutritious in values. We are the roots, stored food roots, they provide the nutrients for us. So we are eating those parts. So are you clear about the functions of stems and roots? Children, please respond. Are we clear about the functions of stem and roots? So this is about your root system. There are two types of roots are there. One is tap root. Say tap root. Okay, tap root and fibrous roots. So what is the tap root? Means from the stem one main root is arising. From that main root, number of small roots are arising. Such roots are called tap roots. And examples are mango, tulsi, neem, papaya, and banyan tree. Just we discussed it. And next, fibrous roots. Fibrous roots means from a stem number of roots from different portions. There is no main root. The absence of main root and a number of small roots are arising from the stem. So such roots are called fibrous roots. In fibrous roots there is no main root. So such roots are called fibrous roots. Example, all grasses, wheat, maize, paddy. So all these comes under the fibrous roots. They are having the fibrous roots. I shown here the example of grasses which are having the fibrous roots. So these are about your roots, and a banyan tree is having the some other type of roots along with the root system. Banyan tree is having two types of roots: underground roots. Underground they are having banyan tree is having roots. It will perform the function as usual the other like other plants. The underground roots of banyan tree, they absorb the water and the minerals and it transfer to the stem. And what the aerial roots do, what the hanging roots they do. For what purpose the banyan tree is having hanging roots means the banyan tree having very big and long branches. Those branches they need the support. So because of that reason, so these hanging branches, what the function they will do means they provide the support. The aerial branches of the hanging branches of banyan tree, they provide the support for the banyan tree. So after this clear for you? If we cut the roots of a plant, if we remove the roots of a plant, what will happen to that plant? Did the plant survive? Children, please respond. If we cut the roots of a plant and again we will place the plant into a soil. So if we pour water and all those what the conditions required for survival, if we provide those, did the plant live? So no. So why? Because the absence of roots, if the plant is not having roots, the plant will unable to absorb the water and minerals for the preparation of food, water, sunlight and moisture. So for the air and water, sunlight it requires. So if there is no water, how the plant will prepare the food? So because of that reason,